Hello friends, my name is Muhammad Irsad and I am from India. I welcome all of you to this course. In this course, I will teach you how to make awesome effects by using CSS and JavaScript. Before starting this lesson, I want to show you what you will learn in this. If you like these effects, then you must buy this course and increase your creativity skills. So let's start.
Hi friends, I am Muhammad Irsad from India. I am a full stack web developer with more than 5 years of experience, and I am welcome you to my creative CSS hover and animation course. In this course, I'll teach you some cool CSS and JavaScript animation and hover effects. So here is what we are going to build in this course. So get ready to learn all these creative effects with me.